What is up, beautiful people? MarkieMaurk here, back in the kitchen. Welcome back, y'all. Thanks for keeping watching. Thanks for tuning in. If it's your first time, welcome to the channel. Stick around because I'm going to have some awesome stuff and I'm going to keep it coming at you guys like wildfire. So anyway, what I got going on this evening, if you look behind me, I don't know if you can see that, but I got a whole rack of delicious barbecue sauce I just did a video on, and I'm actually back in here working overtime for y'all, keeping the content coming at you. And what I'm rocking now is my famous barbecue rub. It is absolutely delicious. It's a pretty simple recipe. I've rubbed down some ribs multiple occasions and I've had people ask me, what is that rub? So I figured it is time to share it with the world, YouTube. So anyway, guys, pretty simple, pretty basic. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ingredients, I believe. The largest one is your brown sugar. Oh, excuse me, my phone's ringing. Golly golly, should have put that on mute. Anyway, and 2 cups of brown sugar right here. I'm going to start with a ½ cup of salt, and normally I kind of do a 1 to 3 salt versus brown sugar. So if you don't want to make this amount that I'm making here, you can cut it down and just always do that as your figure. So if you want to make more, do 3 cups of brown sugar, 1 cup of salt. I'm doing 2 cups of brown sugar, so I may end up with 3/4 cup of salt. We'll see, but I'm going to start with a ½ cup. Anyway, besides that, 1/4 cup of onion powder, 1/4 cup of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of the cayenne. Actually, I'm sorry, 1 tablespoon of cayenne. I don't want it too spicy. Now, if you like spicy, you can go with 2. And then 2 tablespoons of the chili powder, and probably about a 1/4 cup of paprika. Paprika really, it adds that nice smoky flavor to the rub, and it just brings it on home. And besides that, y'all, oh, I'm sorry, and I'm forgetting one thing, black pepper. So also a 1/4 cup of black pepper. And of course, with all my videos, I will gather all these measurements and I will have them in the description at the bottom of the video. But once again, I just want to say thank you all for supporting me. Thanks for sticking around, and if you're new, stick around because I'll keep you entertained, and I'll keep some good ideas for some good meals in your head. But this rub is absolutely delicious. It goes great on pork, is my #1. Pork loins, barbecue ribs, pork butt. Also though, chicken. I love smoking whole chickens. You can do a whole chicken with this, rub it down, make sure you rub it down good. And but it's also good on fish, shrimp, and the only thing you do for the fish and shrimp, say you take, once it's all mixed together, you take a 1/4 cup of it. If you think you're going to use a 1/4 cup of it, throw it in a bowl and add to a 1/4 cup, I would add maybe a tablespoon of Old Bay. If you add Old Bay to this, that makes the perfect seafood rub for any type of fish. Like I said, shrimp, man, almost anything. Oysters, awesome. On salmon, absolutely awesome. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna get mixing here, and I'll see you in just a second. Don't go nowhere. Alright, y'all, so we're back. I'm mixing this up, and you might be saying, oh, Mark don't switch shirts. I did, and that's because this one has a wonderful message on the back of it. It's a rule of the life that I have to live by. Every butt deserves a good rub. And no, they didn't make a smaller shirt, I checked. Anyway, I got the rub all finished up here, and I'm going to go ahead and bring y'all in for a close-up view of it because it looks oh so good. And believe me, it will enhance your pork, your chicken, your seafood, your fish, pretty much anything you want to put it on. You can also rub a burger down with this. If you're like me and you like to eat your burgers medium rare, you cook them hot and fast, give your burger a rub with this stuff and give it the quick blast on the grill or pan fry, however you like. It will literally encase your burger in this delicious crust. It's got a lot of brown sugar in it, so that'll caramelize, and it'll literally make a bark around the burger. And every time you take a bite, you'll hear that bark. Tell you what. Anyway, I'm gonna let y'all get a close-up on this mess because we're about done here. See you in a second. All right, y'all, we are back. Here we go. This is the finished rub. Beautiful burgundy color. That's all that smoked paprika in there. And it's actually just regular paprika, but all paprika smoked. I actually avoid the smoked paprika because it's like almost too smoky for me. But anyway, that is the rub. There are the ingredients that go into it: chili powder, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, paprika, brown sugar, salt, and black pepper. And like I said, I will have all the ingredients in the description at the bottom of the video and the measurements for them. And I can't stress enough how delicious this is on smoked salmon, pretty much any type of fish you want to put it on, or if you're about ready to throw another shrimp on the barbie. G'day, mate. Slap it on there. But remember, with the seafood and the fish, take as much as you think you need for the rub. If you need a half cup, take a half cup. For a half cup, add about a tablespoon of Old Bay to it, and you will have an amazing new version of a seafood rub. So anyway, y'all, that is the rundown on the rub. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me again this evening. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to give me that thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. Hit it so hard you almost break your clicker finger. Anyway, this is MarkieMaurk coming at you live from the kitchen once again. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. I love you guys, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.